Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tune Magic. In this video we're going to show you how you can make the spectator's card face down without touching it. Is that cool, right? So let's get started. Here's the performance. Start to shuffle the cards. We do a 4 shuffle through. We tell the spectator to choose a card. You can do it in many ways, but we will do it always in this way. We assume this is stop right here. This would be their card. It's Jack of Spades. Put them put your card. We shouldn't see it, of course, but since I don't have a spectator, I can see it too. We tell them to put their card in between of the deck. They put it right here. So we tell them that we will put our deck and our hand for 1 second to our back, behind our back. It's just for 1 second. So yeah. So it was just 1 second. Now we tell them we start to shuffle the cards. So we start passing through cards. One card is face down. How? The rest of the deck is normal. So because my deck is PVC edition, so I can open it and find it very well. Yeah. So we tell them what was your card for the first time. They will tell us Jack of Spades. It is Jack of Spades. How? So let's learn it. So let me tell you again that I'm so sorry for my mistakes in my speaking. I'm so sorry. So yeah, let's see the tutorial. So for this trick you just need to do a little setup. You should let me put this card somewhere here. You just need to turn the bottom card. Look, you should grab the cards like this for the spectator, and of course when you shuffle it you should make them distract them and then do this, okay? And yeah, if you don't want to do that, you don't know how to distract them, at first you can just rotate this card and turn it. So yeah, now when you start to shuffle it, you should always do not grab this card, the last card. We should be careful to not choose the bottom card, and of course we should not do this. We should not show it to the spectator, the bottom card. We just should do some fake shuffles. This card should be always last. They are fake shuffles. Look like this. For this part you just need to be quick. Look here. So after this you can open the cards and tell the spectator to choose a card, or no, you can just tell them to say stop. I do this. We tell them to say stop. Assume they say stop right here. This is the card. Wow, this is very important. Wow, this is 8 of clubs. Well, you are showing it to the spectator. Turn the over the deck of cards. You should grab it like this. When you are showing it, it is like this. When you are showing it, I grab it like this. So I turn it and you didn't notice it. While you are showing, you should turn it over. Okay, like it. And now if you put the spectator card somewhere you should not do it when you say stop anywhere that they you should just tell them that you should put it in the middle of the deck. Even they can put it like this. Let me see, it should be a bit middle like this. So yeah, now this part is very important. Did you notice that we say that we should put the cards behind our back? Did you know what we did? You should turn this card over again. So yeah, This always took like 1 second. So yeah, you should just do this. Then it's finished. The trick is finished. You can do a lot of things with this. Start to shuffle it. This card it could be. Please don't do this shuffle because the spectator card will be, maybe it will be like it could be obvious for me. Do the far shuffle, and of course it should be very quick like this.
You can do a riffle shuffle too. It's a good shuffle to
do something like this too. And then yeah, the trick is done. Now we open the cards. One card is face down, the others are face up. So then we tell them what was your card for the first time. We will say like 8 of clubs. It is 8 of clubs. So we hope that you enjoy it, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.
we'll see you in our next videos.